is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, we have them back, ladies and gentlemen. We have them back. So here's what we're going to do today is I am going to whip out a few and we're going to get back in the swing of things. Put on this stupid glove. Yes. All right, there we go. You guys ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready to dominate butts? Good. Here we go. Yes. Got a new crucible, so we're sticking. I'll get back to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I haven't done this yet. Let's get this on. I'm behind. So you may see some things that you've already seen. Sorry. New crucibles, man, they stick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will get back to you. Gentlemen, we're back. This is what we got. Hopefully this is what we got. Where's my stupid glove? That's what we got. Hopefully we got it. These little rings, they suck. I've squashed the crap out of them. And we missed it. That freaking blows. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Let's have a peek. I hope I got this. Tried pouring one of these yesterday. I got my furnaces back yesterday, which would have been, what is today? I would have got them back Tuesday. I got them back Tuesday. Tried pouring one of these last night. It just didn't work out. These are actually not really easy to pour. Nothing is. Sandcasting is easy. It takes a lot of time, and you botch, and you got to start all over like so. All that setup and everything, down the drain, start all over. Burnt sand. Nevertheless, let's see what we got. Oh boy, that was impressive. Yes, please. Not great. I will, what am I going to do? I will do this. Let's just play in the sand together. Play together in the sand. Okay, there we go. All right. Can't really see. How well we did. We're not too bad. We got the blowout there, which I can cut off. The underneath is not bad. The top is not very good. We lost our satellite and the sides aren't that good. She does stand up. The one I poured last night, I actually cut this, I'm melting this one back down. This is not good. Not good either. We got lots of blowout. Not so good, ladies and gentlemen. This one is not so good either. Right here on the top is crappy. I don't know. It's not too bad. We lost our satellite. We didn't get that. Is that a big hole in the top of it? Yes, it is. We do have a hole right here in the top of it. This one's going to get remelted. It's just not good. Doesn't pass inspection. Neither one of them do. Yeah, it's just not good. Yeah, they're not, it's not easy. So yeah, I'm going to set up and get you another one. I'll get back to you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Are we molten? Yes, we are. All right, so this is one of the 3 new additions to my Bearhead family. Here we go. I think we got it. Maybe. That one was a little tricky. I'll get back to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This is what we got. This is our polar bear. Yes. That nose. This one's a little tricky, getting the ears on this one. The ears are a lot smaller. I'd say this is probably 1.5 ounces. I don't know. I'll let you know at some point. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that. Here is our OG bear, and now our polar bear. I've got 2 more bears. Actually, one I will pour, and then the other one I'm going to pour and send it to that special someone. You know who you are. So you can unveil it. Here we go. Let's, for my last pour, I'm going to do this one. I've been waiting on this one for a while. This is a new trooper. This is going to be a cool one if he comes out right. Bow. We will quench. Quench. Get out of there. Yes. He's good, not great. I'm having some issues with that folding bull crap. I think I just changed my crucible, so that could be what it is. This is going to be a cool one, though, nonetheless. So, before we get cracking, here we go. Our new trooper. Bow. Look at the freaking snout on that guy. Yeah, this is a cool one. I don't really even care anymore. I really like this one. This one is freaking dope. I don't know what it weighs. Probably a 3. I would say most of my troops run around 3. Very cool, man. Got a great bottom on him. This is what I'm talking about. This crap right here. I hate that crap. That really bugs the crap out of me whenever that happens. It just, I don't know. I just don't like it. It's my opinion. I just don't. I like smooth and flat stuff. Uniform crap. But that may just be my personal preference. You guys may like that. I guess they would be like pour lines, but I don't really like pour lines on my casted pieces. It's just not my thing. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, one more shot at the polar bear. Wow. It's going to be a nice little addition to the Bearhead family. What else did we pour today? Oh yeah, we poured these Sucktastic deals, which I got to go back in and redo. This is actually a new set that doesn't have anything in the middle here. It just kind of goes around and it's empty. I don't know if we're going to be able to get those. I may have to go back and just redo the other ones. That's all. It's cool though, man. I'm not sweating it. Yes. And oh yeah, we did the freaking Sucktastic Falcon. Yeah, it's not good. This one wouldn't be too bad. I guess it's not so bad, but I don't know. I don't like it. Just don't really like it. Just not good enough. Just not good enough for me, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know though. It's just you know. This is a heavy dude. I think the other one's weighing about. This has got to be every bit of 5 ounces. I did over pour the base. But, you know, what can you do? Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you guys watching. It is good to be back, kicking butts. What butts that we did kick today. The Bearhead came out good. I guess the Trooper's not so bad. I still really don't like him. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.